Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I solved my door seal creaking noise that has been happening since I actually bought the car. And initially I complained to the dealership. They changed the door seals, all of them, but just the interior ones, and that didn't fix the problem. They kind of used their silicone that they have for door seals, but that didn't solve the problem. It solved it only for like 1 week. So I tried to find a solution that is more permanent, and then I experimented with this. So this is actually silicone fluid, and this bottle is from a radio control car, which is diff fluid for it, and I have a lot of success with this. And what I basically do, I just put some oil here, I lube the seals like so, and also after I'm done with the interior one, I actually have to do the exterior one here on the door too, and this one usually requires more oil to do so, but after you coat this in silicone oil, it will not creak for like 4 to 5 months depending on how much you wash the car. So yeah, this is what I recommend for you to try out. You can probably find these at the hobby shops if you want to try something similar, and this worked for me, and yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. See you in the next one.